Here's an example of Tesla on the daily time frame from September through November of 2016. And what we're looking at here is clear moving average resistance, which is indicating bearish entry opportunity. So we know overall that Tesla is in a downtrend. If we zoom out and look at the weekly chart, we can see lower highs and lower lows is the pattern. But look at this moving average resistance that has given the signal for the top of every bounce attempt. So we see a bull move here. We reject from the 50-day moving average, and at this point we have the 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages all lining up at the same level. And that adds resistance because not only is it one moving average, but obviously the more levels of resistance you have at one point, at one place, the stronger that resistance is. So that was a high, and we rejected. Look at the 4-day dump that followed after that. Really nice bearish gains to be had. We found support, saw another bounce. This big black candlestick indicates that the bulls saw a gap up open. Look where the high of the day rejected. The 100-day and 200-day moving average resistances, and then by the close of the day, we couldn't close above that 50-day, so that 50-day acted as resistance yet again. And then look at the 5-day dump that followed. The day after that, we had another rejection from the 50-day for good measure, but clearly, these moving average resistances are creating a lower high and lower low scenario because they are descending with the price as it continues to drop, driving the price to the downside. So we find support again. Nice bounce. Here we are again. 50-day moving average resistance, bearish reversal candlestick, big upper wick of profit taking, and look at the day that followed. Huge bear day, closed down at the low, and we're looking for further downside tomorrow. So here is an example where 3 times in the past 2 months, we've seen a very clear bearish signal with weakness at these moving averages, and any bearish trade made on the day that we reject from those moving averages has led to gains in the following day.